to learning how to work on Teletype, Excella's intelligent data processing system. Log in to Teletype using the specific web-based URL in Chrome browser and account credentials provided by your coordinator. What do you do in Teletype? Images are released on the processing screen along with a comparable segment of the data captured by the system. You need to compare the data on the image and the data captured by the system. If the data in the image is the same as that has been captured by the system, click Accept or use Enter hotkey. If all the characters in the image are not clear or are illegible, reject. If there is a difference between some or a few characters on the image and those captured by the system, you need to correct the incorrect characters captured by the system and click Accept. If in the image only some characters are legible and other characters are unclear, then match the system data with clear characters and make corrections if required. For the illegible characters, use the up arrow key, which will turn the box red, and then click Accept. Images are released in sets of 5. Once a set of 5 images are released and you process them, you will see a Review and Save screen, where you can view the images you have processed and can once again review the corrections you have made and confirm your decision of accepting or rejecting the same. Image types in Teletype. You will see 2 types of images in Teletype, and that will decide how you capture or correct the data. These are character level images or field level images. In character level images, images of data split character-wise are released. The system captured characters are shown just below the image. Cross-verify the autofill data with the image and make necessary corrections. For quicker processing, relevant hotkey combinations shown near the buttons can be used. Each image should be processed quickly, either accept or reject, or accept after making corrections. There is a countdown timer shown at the top right corner. If all the characters or data match with the system captured data, then you should click on the Accept button or use Enter key to accept and go to the next character set. If you can identify data on the image and the captured data is incorrect, then you need to correct the details as per the data on the image. When necessary corrections are made, the respective box border will turn into green color. If for some characters the image data does not match with the system filled data, then use the up arrow key or click on the X mark present below that character to highlight it. The color of the respective box border will turn red. In field level correction, field level images will be shown here and the respective autofill data will be displayed below the image. A maximum of 5 field groups will be released on the screen for processing at a time. In field level correction, you may see a few characters highlighted in pink. You need to then just focus on those characters. If those characters are matching or can be matched by making corrections, after you key in the right data, use the Accept button. If those characters cannot be matched by making corrections, use the Reject option. If there is no highlight in pink color on any of the characters, all the characters should be verified. Review and Save process. Once you complete each set of 5 images, whether in character level or field level keying, you will see the Review and Save process screen. Verify the image data and autofilled or data you have keyed or corrected in the previous screens. You can identify the rejected fields with the help of Rejected word at the top of each field. Similarly, you will see red and green color highlighted characters or fields for easy reference to identify where corrections were made. At the top right corner, you will see a pencil icon, that is, Edit icon, for each field. This is a second opportunity for you to make any corrections on the keyed data by using this icon. Once done, the system will prompt you to review and save process. Use the Save button or simply use Enter to save your corrections and for the system to release the next set of images. Use the Save and Logout option to save the changes made and to close the application. Alternatively, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Enter to save and exit. At this time, a message box will ask you to click OK to save and log out. Once you complete all the loaded documents, you will get an alert message with the refresh button. There are a few shortcut keys you can use to help you work quickly and easily. Use the plus or minus buttons to magnify the image. This will activate the scroll bar. Use the scroll bar to navigate to the extreme ends of the image to ensure you capture all relevant data. Similarly, for field level data, scroll to the end of the pulled information to match with the image. You also have the option to hide or unhide the captions of the shortcut keys present on the screen by clicking on the On/Off swap button, Show Shortcut Keys. If you keep this on, you can easily refer to these keyboard shortcut keys on the processing screen. There are keys to scroll to previous and next screens, and also straight away navigate to specific characters that need correction instead of traversing all of them one by one. These keyboard shortcut keys are very useful for you to improve productivity and reduce keystrokes, for quickly traversing within field groups, zoom in or out images, accepting or rejecting the character or field group, etc. You will save time when you use these hotkey combinations instead of the mouse. Complete processing and reviewing screens as quickly as possible. The timer on each screen will count down, and if you do not complete the correction before timeout, the changes made so far will not be saved. Once timed out, a button Continue will appear with an alert message. On clicking the same, a fresh set of images will be released for processing. Thank you.